Aquarius, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano energies na parating sa inyo ngayong 2025. So, this is your 2025 annual tarot reading. So, titingnan natin ang overall energies, possible challenge, opportunities, blessings, energy for your money, career, finances, and your love life and family. So, if you are also interested to have your own reading, private reading, for 2025, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Paka-check na lang yung information. Okay, let's see Aquarius. What's coming to you ngayong 2025? Energies coming to Aquarius. This is your overall energy. Possible challenge, opportunity, and a blessing. Oh, wow. There's freedom. You are going to have a new experience. This makes sense kasi Pluto is in Aquarius na, no? So, Pluto is the planet of transformation, change, endings, new beginnings. So, maaring meron kayong bagong experience na tatahakin ngayong 2025, which is parang ano siya, mas different sa kung ano yung meron kayo ngayon. Let's clarify that. What is the Fool? The Fool. Wheel of Fortune. Oh my God. Aquarius, major change for you. The Wheel of Fortune is energy shift. Things are shifting. May nagbabago. So, this can be favorable sa'yo, pwede rin hindi. But, it's about a new experience eh. Something new. Can be a new job, a new career, a new business, or a new situation, a new living condition. Okay, let's clarify that. You have the South Node in the 5th house. 5th house is about your creative talents, your skills. Maaring mas magiging open kayo in discovering your talents, your skills. Yung mga talento na hindi mo alam na meron ka pala. So ngayon, parang mas magiging experimental ka. Some of you naman, pwedeng merong possibility of having a baby, having a child. Pwede kasi itong energies from your past na tipong dati mo pang plano or gusto mong ma-experience, mangyari, and it's finally happening ngayong 2025. Some of you naman may dating. Oo. Yung iba, if matagal na kayong walang relationship, or matagal na kayong hindi nakikipag-connect romantically, maaring ngayong 2025 magbabago yan. Merong person na darating sa buhay mo na magpapakilig sa'yo. Okay. You have Pegasus. So, ang Pegasus, this is about freedom. This really makes sense kasi the Fool is also about freedom, freeing yourself for a new experience and also taking some risks. So, kumbaga, susugal ka sa mga bagong experience. And I think, dahil na rin meron ka ng kalayaan na magawa yung gusto mo. This is also infinite potential. So, maraming opportunities na pwedeng dumating sa inyo, Aquarius, ngayong 2025. So, nasa sa inyo na lang yan kung alin ang opportunities na i-grab mo. Alam mo yung feeling na, ayan, dumarating sa harapan mo, kaliwat kanan. Oo. And syempre, hindi mo naman yan lahat makukuha. So, kunin mo kung ano yung sa tingin mo na mas may value para sa'yo. At kung saan ka mas interesado, saan sa tingin mo mas mag-e-enjoy ka. There's mental force, spiritual insight. Mas magiging matalino ka sa pagpili. Oo, mas magiging meticuloso ka sa mga choices mo, sa mga decisions mo. kumbaga parang mas nag-grow ka ngayong 2025. You have matured a lot. And yung maturity na yan, yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng bagong experience. Wow, going on an adventure. You will experience fun things ngayong 2025. Yung mga hindi mo pa naranasan before. Example, hindi ka pa nakapag-travel sa pamamagitan ng airplane, ng plane, no? Ngayong 2025, may experience mo yan. Halimbawa, hindi ka pa nakapag-try na sumakay sa cruise ship. So, ngayong 2025, may experience mo yan. So, a lot of possibilities that will come your way ngayong 2025. And of course, if alam nyo naman na ang pagkakaroon ng anak ay napakalaking responsibilities, no? So, if you are not yet ready to have a child, be careful. Okay? But of course, if you're already mature enough at alam mo yung responsibilities niyan, then go for it, because there's a big possibility of a new source of happiness for you, like a baby coming in. Yung iba, may opportunity kayo na makapag-work sa ibang bansa, or to try a different path, to try a different career na malayo sa career path mo ngayon. So for your challenge is the Strength card. The Strength is your confidence. So maaring may mga times na you will doubt yourself. Magda-doubt ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. Lalo na kung ito ay bago sa paningin mo. Ito ay bago sa iyong karanasan. Kasi hindi yun yung comfort zone mo eh. 'Di ba? So, anything new, maaring ma-intimidate ka, na parang i-doubt mo yung sarili mo, you second guess yourself. But, ito nga yung time na mas dapat magtiwala ka sa kakayanan mo, dahil bagong experience to para sa'yo eh. Kasi kung wala kang tiwala na sa sarili mo, magdadalawang isip ka, magda-doubt ka, paano mo ma-experience yung bago? 'Di ba? Four of Pentacles, this is stability. I think yung iba sa inyo, career, trabaho, or business yung medyo nag-aalinlangan kayo for 2025. But I think with support from people na pagkakatiwalaan mo, you can never go wrong with this, no? Sa mga bago mong i-explore. Kailangan lang talaga rito is consistency. And meron ka talagang commitment. Let's see, let's clarify the challenge. The 9th house, Jupiter in the 9th house. Kasi pwedeng maging overwhelming to sa'yo. Let's say you are starting a business and galing ka sa pagiging empleyado. And gusto mong mag-business, yes, nandun talaga yung yung passion mo, wish mo yan, gusto mong ma-experience. But kung susunggab ka sa ganong pagbabago at hindi ka ready, pwedeng ma-overwhelm ka, ma-overstimulate ka sa mga kailangan mong malaman. So, kumbaga, gradually, unti-unti, aralin mo siya para kumbaga hindi bubuhos sa'yo yung mga information na kailangan mong malaman. At kumbaga, maintindihan mo siya. And if you need someone na mag-guide sa'yo, then that's better. Someone who knows, or someone who is expert in the field na gusto mong i-explore, that's a bonus thing for you, na malaking tulong yon. Okay? Yung iba kasi may mga belief system kayo na nagbabago. Kung dati ang pananaw nyo, mas maganda na meron kang trabaho, may empleyado ka, kasi sure, yung susweldohin mo, kikitain mo, hindi ganun ka-risky. Kaya lang, yung opportunity nun na mag-grow, lumaki, medyo mababa. So ngayon, yung iba sa inyo, nagbabago yung inyong pananaw, yung perspective nyo, yung realization nyo na, hindi pala ako masyadong yayaman sa pagiging empleyado. So that's why you are you are trying to take some risks in making decisions regarding the path na tinatahak mo for yourself. Okay? Let's see what else, Aquarius. Challenge. The Lion. Oh. Lion is confidence, 'di ba? Oh, 'yun sinasabi ko sa inyo na diyan magkakatalo kung gaano ka confident sa sarili mo. This is your courage. This is your determination. This is also yung karma rin kasi to na kung ano yung effort mo, kung ano yung energy na binibigay mo, yun din yung matatanggap mo. So, kung ano yung gusto mong matanggap mo, di dapat yun din yung energy na binibigay mo. Okay? So, if you want to experience success, then do the things that what successful people do, diba? Inventor, oh. Alam nyo, you have a very powerful imagination and creative ideas na parang kayo lang nakakaalam. Kailangan nyo i-share yan. Kasi I think you will be recognized dito sa gawa nyo dito sa ideas nyo na to. Ayan meron kang energy of an inventor. You are a pioneer, trendsetter. And ano man tong ipapauso mo, this will receive recognition, popularity, fame, focus, attention, spotlight. Okay? So, ito yung time, 2025 is a time for you to be bolder, na mas malakas ang loob, mas nagtitiwala sa yung sariling kakayanan. Kasi it will definitely pay off. So, your opportunity is the Lovers. The Lovers is commitment. This is love. So, yung iba sa inyo, may opportunity kayo na pumasok sa isang seryosong relationship. Ngayong 2025, if you are single, or this can be a business partnership for some of you. Kung kayo naman ay in a relationship na, maaring tataas ang level ng inyong commitment sa inyong person. Pwedeng magpapakasal na kayo. You will get engaged. Someone will propose to you. Or magpo-propose ka sa isang tao na mahal mo. Yung iba naman, kung kayo kasal na, pwedeng i-renew ninyo yung vows ninyo. Like what Judy Ann and Ryan Agoncillo. Nag-renew sila ng vows nila, nagpakasal ulit. You have the 7 of Pentacles. This is an opportunity for you to nurture, kumbaga alagaan yung mga naitanim mo, yung mga nasimulan mo. Kasi eventually, you will see the results of your hard work. Okay? Kasi yung iba, tumitigil na kapag hindi nila nakikita yung resulta agad-agad. Nagiging impatient. Oo. Mainipin. So now you have the opportunity to stay doon sa trinabaho mo, binild mo, winworkout mo. Because you will see the fruits of your labor eventually. You have the 7th house, Neptune in 7th house. Yung iba sa inyo rito, you will experience being madly in love. Yung talagang lalo na kung kayo ay nasa yung time of choosing or looking for a partner, maaring ma-inlove kayo sa isang tao na sobrang lalim. Na masasabi mo na siya yung true love mo. And also, if you are going to partner with someone, like example, business partnership, kaibigan mo, or even romantic partner mo, mas magiging creative kayo together. Sabi nga, 2 heads are better than 1. You have the Storm. So this is transition. You have the opportunity to transition and make some changes. in your commitments. Yung iba sa inyo, mas magiging malakas, resilient sa mga pagbabago na to. So, di ba, ang challenge ninyo is parang nag-aalangan kayo sa inyong sarili, but eventually, madidevelop nyo yung confidence nyo sa inyong sarili. Kasi may mga times na we pay attention dun sa opinion ng ibang tao sa atin kaya tayo naaapektuhan. Like yung mga bashing, haters. But, the more na mag-focus ka sa sarili mo at hindi mo pansinin yung negativity, you will definitely achieve more than what you think you can. Higit pa sa inaakala mo yung ma-achieve mo. You have the emotional force. You also have competence o superior. I think yung iba sa inyo rito, Aquarius, ang magpapanalo sa inyo ay yung pagkakaroon ng high emotional intelligence. Yung tipong alam nyo kung paano i-handle yung stress, alam nyo kung paano i-handle yung challenge, because you are emotionally intelligent, and that will lead you to success eventually. Okay? So your blessing is the 8 of Wands. Fast-paced ang 2025 para sa inyo. Ito yung tipong hindi mo akalain tapos na pala yung 2025 dahil sa dami ng nangyari. Ang bilis ng takbo ng taon na to para sa inyo. You have the Ace of Pentacles. There's a new beginning. Meron kang sisimulan ngayong 2025 na magbibigay ng blessing sa'yo. This can be a new business, a new career, or a new project na hindi mo akalain na mabilis lang yung magiging resulta na hinihintay mo Let's say for example, gumawa ka ng TikTok account kasi gusto mong maging content creator. Tapos, gumawa ka ng mga videos. You became true to yourself na ano yung pwede mong i-share. And then, nag-viral. Tapos, biglang ang daming nag-follow na sa'yo. Ang dami mo ng views. Ang dami nang gustong makipag-collaborate sa'yo, makipag-partner sa'yo. Ganong klaseng speed ng blessing is what I'm seeing for you. You have the 6th house, Mercury. Your intelligence is going to bring success and is going to bring blessings sa inyo. Yung mga creative ideas ninyo, yung pag-organize ninyo, yung proseso, let's say, you are someone na maproseso. Kumbaga, alam mo yung mga pasikot-sikot na mga ginagawa mo. This will bring blessings sa'yo. And when it comes to your health, yung kalusugan mo, you're going to experience optimum health ngayong 2025. Syempre, you also have to take care of yourself. You have Rainbow. Wow. Rainbow is recovery. This is about abundance, new opportunities. Kumbaga, mas magiging optimistic ka. Kasi pwedeng yung mga challenges mo in the past, let's say you've experienced challenges in 2024. Tapos, ngayong 2025, makakaramdam ka na parang this is your year. You have this enormous strength to recover, to do new things. Kasi new beginnings din ang Rainbow. This is also hope. Hope for your dreams. Mas maraming connections. Maaring you will create a network that will bring a lot of blessings sa'yo. With the community. New direction rin. And I feel like you're going to be fully in control of your life with this handcuff. So parang alam mo kung kailan ka maglilay-low, alam mo kung kailan ka, kumbaga magaling kang tumiming. Timing is essential to your success, Aquarius. And that is also very crucial when it comes to making decisions ngayong 2025 para sa'yo. Okay? So this new direction will bring blessings to you. So sa money, career, finances, adulting, experiment. So I think ito yung experiment na gagawin mo, like pagiging creative mo or mga innovations na gagawin mo sa career, sa business, sa finances mo. Yung iba sa inyo bubukod na kayo. You will have your own place para mas meron kayong independence. And I also see you having this spiritual awakening about kung paano mo i-handle yung pera mo, kung paano ka mas magiging seryoso sa mga goals mo when it comes to your career or your business. You have the devil. The devil is associated to Capricorn, which is someone very determined. I feel like there's an obsession sa career, sa business, sa finances ninyo ngayong 2025. You are obsessed in growing your finances. You are obsessed in expanding your capabilities, your network. You have the Queen of Cups. And I also see you taking care of what you have built. Kung ano yung mga naipundar mo, naitayo mo ngayong 2025, aalagaan mo yan. Kasi gusto mo magtagal yan sa'yo. Gusto mo, it is something that will last for a long time. So, sa love life naman, maaring meron kang bibigyan ng chance. Ooh, past life, person from the past. Ano yan dalawa lang yan. It's either pababalikin mo, hahayaan mong bumalik ang taong to sa buhay mo, or bibigyan mo ng chance yung sarili mo na magmahal ulit. Kasi may freedom dito You are finally in control of your life. You have your own decisions in relationships. Some of you are moving forward. Some of you ay may mga bago na kayong plano para sa sarili ninyo. For those na mas pinili na mamuhay mag-isa, to be independent. Pero, kahit ganon, meron pa rin kayong ma-attract na person sa buhay ninyo. And I also see someone na nagsisisi dahil pinakawalan ka. Someone na may nagawang pagkakamali sa'yo or pagkukulang sa'yo. Yung iba, pwedeng maayos nyo yan, no? But I think you will set boundaries with this person na hindi ka na niya pwedeng ilimita sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin kung gusto niyang bumalik sa buhay mo. But if you're single, I also see someone coming into your life. Pwedeng itong person na to, dati mo nang kilala, pero wala naman kayong naging romantic connection before. Let's say, classmate mo before or friend mo. And then, nagkaroon kayo ulit ng opportunity to see each other na pwedeng mag-blossom into a romantic partnership. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. I wish you all the best for 2025. And thank you so much. And see you again.